Welcome back, guys. Today we got something a little different for you today. We're going to be printing out a 3D cup holder for the Jeep. My Jeep didn't come with a cup holder, so I didn't really have anywhere to hold my drinks while I was driving. And we actually just got in this new 3D printer. It's the FlashForge Adventure 3. And I'm going to be printing out a cup holder. I already got the file loaded up on the screen here. And I ended up having to print it in two different pieces because it's a little bigger than the size of the print bed. But I'm going to go ahead and get the print started, and before I do that, if you guys could, please go down below and subscribe to the channel and like this video so that more people could see it and help grow the channel. Also, leave any comments below, and let me know if you'd be interested in possibly purchasing a cup holder for your Jeep WJ. I looked all over the place online, and the only things that I found for cup holders is used ones, and I kind of wanted something new and something that could also hold my phone. So let's get this thing started, and I'll show you what it turns out like. And look at how this cup holder turned out. It was printed in half, so I glued it together already, so it didn't print like that. But this is what it turned out to be. We're going to go test it and see if it fits in the Jeep. I'm pretty sure it will. But we got the two cup holders. They're 3-inch holes, so it'll hold most size drinks. Nothing super large, but any kind of drink that you'll probably have in your car. And then I also have a slot in there to slide your phone in also as a phone holder. So let's go see how it fits in the Jeep. Okay, so I got the cup holder installed. It fits in there well. It doesn't move anywhere. I did a test drive with some drinks in the cup holder and they didn't fly out, so it's working great. All the cups are staying in the cup holder, not ending up on the floor. Also, the phone slot works great. Holds your phone in the vertical position. It doesn't really interfere with the drinks being in the cup holder as well. So let me know if you're interested in possibly purchasing one if I end up making them. Also, if you're interested in purchasing the 3D printer that I used to print out this cup holder, I'm going to put the link down in the bio, so go check that out. This print turned out very well. I've used 3D printers in the past, and they didn't print near as well as this one. So if you're in the market to get a 3D printer to print out parts to put in your car or whatever, go check out this printer because it printed out a very nice cup holder. And I'm very happy with how it turned out. Also, go check out the Instagram page. I'm going to be putting updates on new videos and stuff before I release them. So if you're interested in the channel, go check that out. And thanks for watching.